sexy tomorrow, boo.
I know, boo. Look at it. Do I look thick? And I wish it would.
I wish a nigga would now.
Which would?
Wish a nigga would now. No, who curved now? Ain't no car coming.
Alright, Damo.
Or do you see a car though?
Okay.
Ain't fall back.
Damo.
Fall back though.
Hush.
I ain't got a hush. I fall back. Hey.
Hey. Get it, boo. Hey.
What's
up, everyone? So welcome back to our channel. It's your girl, Liah.
It's your boy, Don.
Oops, not Liah. I'm Keisha. So today, you guys, we're going to be doing the acting Ratchet and Hood together thingy. Not a prank because we're both acting Ratchet and Hood. I'm going to be Ratchet. My name is Keisha.
My name is Don. You already.
And his name Don.
Don.
I thought it was Damo.
Damo. Like you throwing them dice.
Anyways, come on, babe. Let's go, boo. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you be notified anytime we post a new video, boo. And let's get into this video, boo. Ready, boo?
We're good.
And, you know, we finna go to that Smoothie King today. We finna go to that Smoothie King today, y'all. Shoo! What y'all been doing?
Y'all gonna give me a piece of that gun.
I ain't got no more.
I got no more. But give me a piece of yours.
Here, boo. Damn.
Try to say you ain't got no more. You got more.
Okay. You know what's something? I know people gonna be looking at us crazy, but what you looking at? Because what we gonna do, boo?
Ooh,
What we gonna do if somebody got a problem, boo?
I'm a bone.
Period. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what's up with us.
You already know what time it is. I'm from that 444 game.
My daddy is, boo. And you fine too, baby.
I recognize.
The finest one after game.
You need to get off the side of the street now.
What if we was to get pulled over, boo? Because we just look ratchet, boo.
I ain't getting pulled over. I run from cops.
So what, you gonna leave me?
I put the bad boy in sport. Get out of here, human. Talk it out.
Period, poo. Period, poo. We better go to that Smoothie King, move it up. Because Smoothie King is so far, like, that's my favorite. And y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know Keisha. Smoothie King is fire, boo. Smoothie King is fire. Hold on, baby. Slow down. See? Messing up my camera and shit. This is so freaking embarrassing. People looking at us crazy. What's embarrassing, boo? I look like a whole ratchet mess, y'all.
Tell them. How smooth you getting?
When them, what's that what I be getting at? I be getting that Hulk, not that Gladiator. Well, you should get that Gladiator, boo.
Give me something to charge.
What?
Give me something to charge.
Tell me why this dude in front of us is staring at us. He is staring at us.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on now.
He's staring at us. He was laughing at us. Like, what you laughing at? Yeah, like you ain't never seen no real king and queens out here, boo. Real king and real queen. That's all it is, ain't it, daddy?
Yeah, you a queen now?
Yeah, baby.
You already know you a queen.
See, he trying to slow down, so he trying
So you a style.
he trying to get us up beside him so he can take a picture of us or something. I ain't having it, boo.
If that's what he wish. So I mean, I can speed up now. Speed up. Ain't nothing but a G thing.
Period.
Period on that one.
We at that Smoothie King. Right there. That's how I gotta do it to start my day, boo.
That's how you gotta start your day.
Hey, what you doing, babe?
Come on, bro.
My God, bro.
Can I get comfortable?
You gotta get in the left lane.
But can I get comfortable? I'll get over. Light red now.
Who cares? What for car?
I know who cares now. Ain't no car coming.
Alright, Damo.
Or do you see a car though?
Okay.
Ain't fall back.
Damo.
Fall back though.
Hush.
I ain't got a hush. I fall back. Hey. We ain't gonna do all that now. I'm not gonna do all that.
So what we finna do?
Hey. We ain't gonna do all that now. Fall back, cuz. Fall back. I got a domino game to be at in a minute.
Now you done, boo.
Ooh.
I need you to take me and get my nails done, boo. I need you to drive me out, get my nails done, boo. I need to go.
But what money?
Get my nails done, boo. I need to get my hair done again, boo.
Who money? Act like money going on
you said you were gonna buy for me,
but
boo.
You act like
why
money
you
going
playing
on
now? Why you want to play that? Why you want to take that back now?
Hey, I ain't taking nothing back.
Yeah, that's what
That was
it is.
forward.
That's what it is with you.
Nah, hey.
That's all it is. You
Man,
gonna
I'm
say
tired of
something,
arguing.
you gonna take it back.
I'm not about to keep arguing with you, girl. I'm about to keep arguing with you. Not about to keep arguing with you.
Whatever.
So y'all females be all the time now.
Okay, well that's you, Damo, because you promised.
Not.
What?
Get your hair done next week or something.
I don't want that next week, boo. You promised me today, boo. You promised me today, boo. And my nails, look at them. Need them babies done, boo. Done. I'm trying to go to the club this weekend, boo. My girls. Trying to twerk some. Tell me, boo, do you like my outfit today? You know you do.
I mean, you popping a little bit.
You know you like it, boo.
You popping a little bit. A little something.
Yeah, you like it, boo.
Girl.
If y'all seen what I got on, what the hell's he looking at?
Trying to figure out what's going on. Now.
We're filming a video, y'all, and people are staring.
Man, this light been red, man.
I swear, give people
now.
opportunity, nothing but space and opportunity to be staring at me weird, and then I'm gonna have an issue. I'm gonna have a problem.
Girl.
It's giving people space and opportunity to be looking at me, boo, and it's gonna be a problem. Thank you.
Thank you, now.
What you looking
I
at?
don't do this.
And ain't nobody in line at the Smoothie King.
Bye, now.
Period, boo. Ain't nobody up here, boo. Nobody up here. Ain't nobody for real up here, boo. Give me one of them kiss for that, boo.
Hey, fur right now.
Come on, give me
fur
one.
right there, boy. There you go.
Give me one of them hawks, baby.
What you want?
Hold on, wait a minute.
Welcome to Smoothie King. What can I blend for you today?
Alright, give me 1 second, please.
Alright, just let me know when you're ready.
Alright.
The Hulk chocolate.
What you want now?
The Hulk chocolate.
You want a whole chocolate?
Yes.
Alright, let me get a let me get one of them Hulk chocolates.
A Hulk chocolate.
Yup.
Anything else for you?
And then can I get the let me get that at Pure Recharge.
Did you want to do the Hulk chocolate in a 32 ounce for $6 today?
Yes.
Yeah, we could do that.
Shut up.
And then what was the other one? Pure recharge?
One of them Pure Recharge.
Yes.
What kind? Pineapple, mango, strawberry, or strawberry?
Ooh, let me get that mango.
The mango strawberry?
Yeah.
Did you make that a 32 ounce for $5?
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh my god.
Alrighty, $11.88 at the window.
Alright, thank you.
I can't do. I can't. Oh, damn,
now.
God, it's fucking
Damn,
the car,
boy.
boo. I bet you.
You stupid now.
I have a Hulk chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
What, boo? Don't be staring at me like that, boo. You already know.
I already know what.
Don't be staring at me like that.
Ain't you like what now?
Like that, boo.
Nah. You got them lips now. Like them juicy lips. Looking like a Megan Good now.
Looking like what?
Looking like a Megan Good now.
Shut up, baby.
Nah, girl. Don't keep playing with me now.
Okay, babe, our drinks is coming. Get it.
Let me drink something.
They scared to give it to us.
Pick one up real quick.
And I'll call up Latoya. Toya girl, what's up? I need you, boo. Needing you, boo.
Raekwon and Man come down here, boy. I'm telling you, we light it up now. Like 4th of July.
Let me order.
You got it this time, boo? Alright, boo. Get it, man. I don't know what you do now.
What you mean?
That 4P chicken.
Order whenever you're ready.
Alright, give me 1 second.
Can I get the box combo, the 4 chicken fingers? Huh?
You sure can. What's gonna be a drink with that?
What do you want to drink?
Mess with you.
Can I get a sweet tea with that?
You sure can. Anything else?
Sorry, y'all. I had to, your girl Keisha had to put on my little interview voice, boo. Because they ain't gonna spit in my food, boo. They ain't gonna spit in my food, boo. So no, boo. They ain't gonna spit in my food, boo. So I had to put on my interview voice for that, boo. But don't forget, don't let it twisted. Keisha Ratchet.
You look good today.
Stop it. Stop it, Damo. I know one thing. Somebody else look at me crazy and just see what happens.
I'm about to go home down that 2K.
I'm trying to watch my Love and Hip Hop, boo. Didn't nobody say you could go home and play on no 2K? I'm trying to watch Love and Hip Hop, boo.
On that 2K.
I'm missing. I'm behind on Love and Hip Hop.
Yeah, and I'm behind on my 2K. My fantasy.
You what?
My fantasy. Fantasy mode.
Babe, pull up. Babe, pull over to a parking lot too, boo, so we can eat our food and stuff. Yes, boo. We got that Cane's, boo. We got that Smoothie King, boo.
They only gave you one cut on there?
No.
Yeah. Playing with me now.
You wanna know something, y'all? I don't like how they be discriminating against Keisha and Damo. Like, y'all automatically just think we ghetto. When people see us, y'all automatically think we ghetto.
I mean,
Ooh, my elbows is ashy, boo. Why you say something?
You need some that cocoa on them elbow now.
Sure.
Bro. Can't be leaving the
Some of
house
that
looking
shea
like
butter,
that.
boo.
Nah,
Need
that
some of that
cocoa.
shea butter, boo.
Nah, you need some of that cocoa. Cocoa butter now.
Boo, there you turn it up. You turn that food up, boo. The good, boo?
Yeah, nah.
Far. This shit right here far, boo. It's far.
What that hot sauce at
My
now?
food far.
What that hot sauce?
I ain't got no hot sauce, boo.
You made that for no hot sauce?
No, boo. You ain't saying none of that.
No, not good.
That food was far.
Alright, no.
Was your food far, babe?
Hell yeah. Told you go to that riding cane now. I told
When that
you.
came. That
Oh.
cane, that's Smoothie King, boo.
Y'all ain't had
That's
that
Smoothie
right.
King, that's Smoothie King.
I ain't had that riding cane, that smooth king. That's what y'all need to do right now.
Far.
That shit on y'all
You
lip now.
heard me? I ain't even drunk it yet, boo. But it's far. I already know, boo. It's far. It's always far. Anywho.
You look sexy to my boo.
I already know, boo. Look at it. Do I look
I ain't
thick?
gotta tell you nothing, do I?
No, boo.
Yeah, I ain't gotta tell you
You ain't
nothing,
gotta tell
do
me
I?
nothing, boo, because I already know.
I ain't gotta tell you nothing.
I already know, boo.
I already know, boo.
You ain't gotta tell me, you gonna give me a
girl.
kiss.
What's up then?
Come on.
I smell rough tonight.
No, boo. I want a kiss, boo.
I smell rough tonight.
Boo. Don't be doing all that. Why you being extra? People looking at us and
Eat
stuff.
you up tonight.
Okay, boo, dang. Tell the whole world. Tell the whole world what you finna do.
Tear that shit up now.
My God, boo.
Tear it up now.
Hell, you look at that. Yeah.
Come on now.
Period.
What you
Give
wanna
me a
do?
kiss, boo.
Come here.
Period, boo. That's my boo. My boo. Mine, boo. You all mine.
Yeah, you already know.
You all mine. Period. And I wish would.
I wish a nigga would now.
Which would.
Wish a nigga would now.
Period. I don't know who they be.
You come 4 deep.
Keisha and Damo the new what we the new, babe? Bonnie and Clyde. You already know, boo.
The water gun now. Shooker shoker now. Wet you up now. All the water.
Boo. It is dark, boo boo. Yeah. So I told you I was gonna surprise you with something, didn't I, boo? Huh?
What you got?
Come on, little kids. Damn. That's sure the one I'm working with.
Melon.
Look. Do I look thick or not? Scoot back. Thicker than a Snicker, boo. Ain't I, boo? Ain't I, boo? Hey. Come on. Twerk on me, boo. Come on. Want me to twerk something for you? Turn around, boo. Turn around this way, boo. Hey. Get it, boo. Hey. You like that, boo? That's what I had to show you, boo. I had to show you my new moves. That's where I learned to twerk a little bit better, babe. Come on, baby.
Come on now.
We already got home. I just saw how to show you, boo. What's my twerk son? Huh? Okay, boo. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so if you don't find anytime we post a new video, boo. Anytime we post a new video, boo.
Y'all. You already know.
And we'll be back with more videos, y'all. Peace.
I'm